Putnam, Illinois. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a frost advisory, which is in effect from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Sunday. Temperatures in the mid-30s. Timing, 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Saturday morning. The following impacts are expected. Sensitive outdoor plants may be damaged or killed if left uncovered. A frost advisory means that frost is likely. Cover or move sensitive plants indoors. Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Knox, Marshall, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Caswell, and Woodford. The frost advisory, which is in effect from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. Sunday. Temperature, low temperatures expected in the mid-30s. Following impacts are expected. Sensitive outdoor plants may be damaged or killed if left unattended. A frost advisory means that widespread frost is expected. Sensitive outdoor plants may be killed if left uncovered. And now the regional weather summary. Slowly clearing. Not really getting any reception, that's why I have this plugged in, my external antenna. All right.